Hey Bulls, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance and the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now today there is a lot to talk about. Updates in relation to Ripple and XRP. Obviously adding $2 billion to its market cap, which is really nice because of the insane growth that it's having. Hsbc now partnering up with Mateko for blockchain custody services. This is a huge announcement, by the way. Hsbc is a massive institution around the world. Obviously, there's Ripple Swell taking place in Dubai as we speak. Congressman Tom Emmer, bullish on cryptocurrencies, referencing the SEC vs Ripple case. Updates in relation to Quant, that's QNT. I'm very bullish on this crypto project. Less of a supply than Bitcoin. We'll get into that. We've got Grayscale updates now. They have officially opened up talks with the SEC, which is interesting, about their spot Bitcoin ETF. Now, I think Gary Gensler's lost his marbles, but he's actually open to restarting FTX. God, no way I'd get involved in that. And yes, there are some updates in relation to the spot Bitcoin ETFs as well. There are 12 of them, which could potentially get approved next month. We're going to have a look at all of that. Also, my crypto trading bots with 3COMMAS and OKX. And I am going to be at AusCryptoCon this weekend, both Saturday and Sunday. I'm going to be at the OKX booth. If you catch me there, let's get a picture. So make sure you're there. I've got 5 tickets, by the way, to that on sale on my website. The link is below. Literally insane discount for the whale passes. I've got 5 of them. Go and have a look down below. All right, Bulls, let's get into the video. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, I absolutely love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and of course, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. Things are getting freaking insane in this space. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that, right? So give it a good old thumbs up. It's down there. Thank you very much. I'll wait for you. You rock. Thank you very much. Do whatever you want with that button down there. Give it a kiss, a hug, whatever. I don't care, just down there. Give it a good old thumbs up. Also, little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff. All right, formalities are out of the way. It's for educational and entertainment purposes only. Just putting that out there. Straight to the community tab. Top altcoins in the portfolio today. We had Gas, BTT, Illuvium, Nexra, and VRA, Veracity, doing nicely. This was yesterday, which was just insane. This is my 3COMMAS trading bots with OKX. I did do a live last night, by the way, for over an hour. And that actual live stream is right here. The floodgates will actually open, and that was an incredible live stream. I love speaking with everybody in the community. So go watch that. Watch this one. Watch everything. Bullish stuff going on today. It's really nice. Now, let's go to CoinMarketCap. Now, I do use Coinspot for my Aussie crypto exchanges. There is a referral link below. Now, I'm not going to be speaking about them for the moment, and we'll get to that later on this week. But anyway, top altcoins in the portfolio, CoinMarketCap. We've got Gas, BTT, Illuvium, Nexra, UFO, Veracity, Kin, and Neo. Top altcoins in the portfolio. Now, I'm going to quickly go to the metrics. We've got 1.3 trillion at the moment, $54 billion in volume. It's getting up there. 52% Bitcoin, 16.7% Ethereum, 27,039 cryptocurrencies. My main focus, of course, is the utility coins. Now, moving on, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to go to what have we got here? Crypto bubbles, and see what's going on here. And yes, before I do that, I have the Wall Street Bull University linked below, ladies and gentlemen. This is my official Patreon page, which is growing like crazy. Thank you very much to those 659 people. You guys absolutely rock. There's 1,392 posts in there. Yesterday, I spent like over an hour responding to all the direct messages, because it's just me running this. Very bullish stuff, guys, and community. Thank you very much. I put up all my buys, sells, trades, indicators, day trading bots, my futures grid trading bots, my full 3COMMAS bot list, which you can copy directly, which obviously these things are making insane gains. And I'm going to show you that in a second. But very, very bullish community. And also, more importantly, my dividend investing, which is how I got started on YouTube. Dividend investing, okay? I've got my first video that was posted up around about 3 years ago. Gosh, there's a lot's happened since then. But join up. The link is below. There's a lot of useful information in there. I literally filmed a video this morning at around about, I don't know, 7:30, 7:45 this morning on the 3COMMAS bots on the setup guide. For those of you who can't trade with leverage in the United States, Canada, or the UK, or anywhere else that doesn't allow it because of these stupid regulators, but you can do spot grid trading as well, and I've got the full setup in there, so you can go and have a look. Very, very bullish community. Now, I'm going to show you 3COMMAS, and then we'll get into all of the news. But this is 3COMMAS app on iPhone. You can use this on any device you like. I much prefer to use the setup on a desktop. It's a hell of a lot easier to see, but you can monitor everything going on with 3COMMAS bots. By the way, if you use the referral links below for 3COMMAS on the yearly membership, you will get 50% off, which is incredible, buying out the whole year, so you don't have to worry about monthly fees, or you can use the monthly subscription, which you'll get 10% off. Link is below for this. All right. So again, I'm trading both long and short bots. Of course, I've got a significant amount of deals. The Motherload bot is my best performing bot that I only set up a few days ago, trading 68 pairs. That's a lot of altcoins in this one bot alone. You will need the pro subscription for this, and 50 deals. Currently active is 20. My layer 1 coin bots, my ISO 222 bots as well, and the single pairs, as you can see down here, which are all trading for me 24/7 on a long position. And I'm not sure what's happened there. The things just had a bit of a moment. There we go. So again, really, really good stuff to check out, basically how your deals are going. If I do go to my deals, you can see them all active here. And these bots have been incredible, guys. Honestly, it's crazy stuff. But all the active deals, some issues on a couple of them, but doesn't matter. But it shows all the deals on the app. Now, I want to go to OKX quickly before we get into the news. I'm currently up $265 on the day. On the week, let's have a look, 2,407. That's 13% in a week. On the month, I'm up 7,000, which is nuts, 52%. And on the 6 months here, it's 1,194%, which is just mind-blowing returns. And yeah, I only started out with 2,000 USDT. And that's just wild when you think about that. And just bear in mind, these things do fluctuate. They do move up and down because of the market, because you know it's trading. Now, going down here, ladies and gentlemen, you can see I've got 234 open orders on OKX. There are referral links below for this as well. Join the Patreon because I've got full videos on how to set all these up. 113 positions. Just pointing this out, if I was to trade 113 altcoins, I would need monitors everywhere, and I need probably a team of people to look at charts all day long. This is what takes all of that out of the picture, which is incredible, and what I was looking for, because I don't have time to day trade, even though it's incredible. But this makes my life a lot easier. Going to the history is something really interesting to see. Let's have an order history right here. Let's have a look. Sorry, guys. Position history is what I want. There we go. Right, so WorldCoin short position, 25 USDT. A couple of liquidations here, given the market's going upwards because of Bitcoin. Mostly gains. This was all today on the 9th of November. I got liquidated out of this one. It does happen. You do get liquidated, but the bots make it up because they're trading 24 hours a day. 95% win rate. No BS. This is all today. It's been incredible. And again, yesterday was just wild with that $1,200 gain. Just ridiculous. So, guys, join the Wall Street Bull Patreon. He's linked below. These things are trading for me 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Now, on OKX, they do have their own built-in bots. I've got Chainlink up 19.76%. TRB, this is well out of the price range of 23 USDT and 50, so I'm just leaving it there. I might actually stop that and just let that capital go back into my 3COMMAS bots. We'll see how we go. Now, WorldCoin, I'm up 133%. This is doing extremely well. I'm going to leave this trade. Optimism right here, 7.51% as well. So OKX do have bots set up on the platform. However, I'm seeing much better returns with my 3COMMAS bots. So thank you, OKX and 3COMMAS, awesome sponsors of my channel. Very, very selective with who I get to sponsor the channel. Now, moving on, guys, join the Patreons linked below. Crypto bubbles And yes, 85% gain for FTT. This is basically because Gary Gensler wants to restart it. Not that the hell that I would go anywhere near Sam Bankman-Fried, but, you know, just whatever. I'm staying away from that, ladies and gentlemen. That's no BS. Now, Quant. There's some updates about Quant as well. There is a conference that has taken place, and the CEO and founder has spoken at this conference as well. 7.4% on the day. It's 108 USD. I bought this at 60 USD, so I'm still holding strong on that. Moving on, let's have a look here. XLM as well. There was a Bank of International Settlements report that was released, and XRP and XLM were mentioned in that most recent report as well. That is on X. We'll have a look at that in a moment. 12 cents for XLM, 1.7% on the day. Now, let's see if we can find our favorite coin. Solana, 0.9% on the day, 43 US dollars. Still insanely undervalued in my opinion. And 3.1% on the week, 97% on the month. These gains are unbelievable. Hedera up 4.4% as well to 6 cents. Very, very nice. Now, where is XRP? Can anyone actually see it? There it is down the bottom. It's a little bit bigger today. 3.2% on the day, 14 on the week, 39 on the month, still trading at 69 cents. Very, very nice. And XDC, I just saw that right now. 1.3% on the day, trading at 5 cents, 7% on the week, and 14% on the month. Very, very nice. Now, we've got Ripple and XRP adding $2 billion to market cap amid the global network growth, and Ripple's XRP has added an astounding $2 billion to its market cap as the global payment network has noted tremendous growth over the past few days. Indeed, the company has announced expanding offerings in several key areas. Thereafter, its market cap reached a high of $37.4 billion this week. And the global payments firm announced a host of new updates and offerings to its already expanding cross-border solutions network. Specifically, it unveiled new payments platform in collaboration with African-based fintech firm OnFric right here. The partnership would connect Africa to regions in like the UK, Australia, and others. Also, the HSBC announcement is massive. This is huge. But HSBC taps Ripple's Mateko for blockchain. Is that how you say it? Anyway, for blockchain custody services. HSBC Holdings is working with Ripple Labs owner financial technology firm Mateko to offer institutional clients of the bank custody services for digital assets and tokenized securities on the blockchain. It follows the news of the FTSE 100 listed HSBC intends to tokenize the ownership of physical gold in a push to simplify gold trading through the bank's single dealer platform. In a statement, HSBC's Chief Digital Data and Innovation Officer, Zhu Kuang, right here, said, "We're seeing increased demand for custody and fund administration of digital assets from asset managers and asset owners as this market continues to evolve. And Mateko will handle the custodial safekeeping services for all tokenized assets on the blockchain, with these services expected to go live at some point next year," which is only 2 months away. Ripple Labs acquired Switzerland-based Mateko in May this year for $250 million, which sounds like a bargain to me. And HSBC, a long-standing relationship with Ripple Labs. In 2017, the bank adopted Ripple Labs executive chairman Chris Larsen to its technology advisory board, established to help HSBC capitalize on opportunities in artificial intelligence, biometrics, blockchain, and data science. And on the year earlier, 2016, HSBC's former global head of payments innovation, Marcus Trecher, departed the bank to join Ripple Labs as the global head of strategic accounts. HSBC's venture into blockchain world follows a landmark blockchain-based transaction facilitated by JP Morgan Chase last month when the world's largest bank tokenized the trade between BlackRock and Barclays using JP Morgan's Onyx digital assets rail. Freaking crazy, man. This is unbelievable. Now, there are updates in relation to Quant, UK's Finance Digital Innovation Summit. This is happening as well. All the summits are happening around the world. There is a Binance one as well. We've got Quant. We've got Ripple Swell. It's all happening. We've got Oz CryptoCon this weekend. And, I'm just going there to see OKX, to be honest. But during a panel session, the UK's Finance's Digital Innovation Summit last week, our founder and CEO discussed the digital pound with a panel that included senior representatives from Citi, the Bank of International Settlements, and the Bank of England. Very, very nice right here. And we've said the digital pound is needed, said Mutton right here, obviously one of these individuals. That's a long way from saying we're going to build it. We need consultation and rigorous framework for decision making. And that consultation is well underway, and Mutton right here underlined a large amount of feedback he had already received while reiterating that everyone's voice needs to be heard, to him pressing the question, and where does innovation come from and support the digital economy? The digital economy bulls. You know, when you've got crypto projects working with the Bank of International Settlements, I mean, Hsbc, the digital pound, making central bank digital currencies, cross-border payments, liquidity, it's just, to me, it's a no-brainer with utility coins. I'm not even interested remotely in meme coins, other than to trade them with my 3COMMAS bots. Anyway, Grayscale to open talks with the SEC, and representatives of the company are answering questions from 2 divisions of the US Securities Exchange Commission in the wake of Grayscale's court win over the agency. So, very, very interesting update right now. But an SEC approval of one or more ETF applications is keenly awaited by the sector, which is obviously sees the moment as a milestone that could ease everyday investors' path to digital assets, because they can't be effed looking and learning about how self-custody works. True? Grayscale has been in contact with both the SEC's Division of Trading and Markets and Division of Corporate Finance since winning its court fight, and said the person who requested anonymity right here because the talks remain private. Very, very interesting right now. Interesting stuff about this. Yes, Bitcoin's pumping today as well because of the ETF excitement. Now, I don't know about this, but Gensler hints he's open to an FTX reboot under the proper leadership report. Don't even go there, man. I'm not even interested in that. This founder of crypto capital venture, ADA and XRP, are a goldmine for the crypto bull market. And Dave Gambadello, the founder of Crypto Capital Venture, recently shared his insights as to why he's optimistic on the prospects of XRP and Cardano in the forthcoming bull cycle. In a video that spans over 15 minutes, he discusses his portfolio strategy, his approach for taking profit-taking right now, which is very important, by the way, and why he believes these 2 cryptos stand out as a potential blue-chip investments. Very, very nice. Then we've got here Cardano, which constitutes a significant portion of his investment portfolio. He anticipates a substantial bull cycle for Cardano, especially with the advent of decentralized finance, DeFi, on its platform. He speculates that with $10 trillion in market cap for the entire crypto market, a 4% dominance for ADA could translate to a market cap of $400 billion, positioning ADA at an $11 valuation, a 30x increase from its current price. Now, you know, we're going to be soaring past the previous market cap of $3 trillion anyway. It's going to be going well higher than that. I believe 8 to 10 at a minimum, probably higher after that in time. But, you know, diversified portfolio is important. That is why I hold much utility coins, okay? Now, short window to green light all 12 Bitcoin ETFs starts today. The market is abuzz anticipation as the key window for approval of all 12 spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds opens today. James Seifert, an ETF analyst at Bloomberg Intelligence, shared his insights, noting, "We still believe 90% chance by January 10 for spot Bitcoin ETF approvals, but if it comes earlier, we are entering a window where a wave of approval orders for all the current applications could occur." Brace yourself, bulls. Brace yourself. Crypto buy flow. Let's have a look here, and we're going to get to X because there's a bit of stuff happening on there. We've got money going into, sorry about these pop-ups, Ethereum, Gala, Matic. We've got BNB, Chainlink, XRP. What else we've got here? Polkadot and ARK as well. Nice stuff right there. Let's go to X, and then we'll end up on this, bulls. I'm at the Wall Street Bull Oz, by the way. Go follow me on X. Thank you to those 5,000 plus, 600 plus people. You guys absolutely rock. Yes, this is my XRP skull ring. And go grab yourself one whilst the Black Friday sale is on as well. Use the discount code BF40. There is the link. Don't want to miss that, guys. That's bullish. Now, we've got possible US approval for Bitcoin ETFs by the end of 2023, which is only next month. Johnny Deaton right there. Very, very bullish. Ripple Swell. There's a lot happening at Ripple Swell. We're going to listen to a video from a fellow ex-user right here, crypto Twitter today, which is nuts. And over $50 million in Bitcoin shorts were wiped as reports the SEC beginning talks with the fund manager Grayscale. A lot of short positions were liquidated today if you're trading with leverage. And we have Crypto Insight UK. Have a listen to this. This is at Ripple Swell. Thank you for this tweet, mate.
The main, actually the only. And they use tokenization for various use cases that you would never think about when your brain is looking at tokenizing gold or currencies with stablecoins, etc. And it really pushes you to a point where you can think about tokenization as a way to manage the ownership of your house. Opening the door is actually some form of a token relationship. Opening your car, securing your ownership way beyond the traditional assets that we deal with today. So, Julian, because you are today very advanced, of course, in your journey, can you tell us a little bit about the use cases that you have imagined as a company and where you see the market moving?
Yes, I think there is a number of opportunities that are often talked about in terms of securities, and I think actually property has a greater opportunity in terms of tokenization. And I think there's also those areas where transfer of value is difficult or challenging, whether that's through economic or regulation or society type challenges. The point, I'm just going to move the conversation a little bit, and you can pull me back if you want, Adrian, but I think the bigger challenge that we've got when we talk about tokenization is around both the regulatory and legal stage, so who owns those assets and what it is, but also the control function. And just a very simple example, if Apple have got 1,000 shares, I think they have one or two more. If they have 1,000 shares and I buy a share, I have 1,000th of that business. Okay, how do I know they haven't given 1,100? Okay, I have people, the exchanges, the auditors, the accountants, the lawyers, all giving me assurance that there's only 1,000 Apple assets out there. So if we tokenize this building, and I haven't had the joy of coming here, do I know it exists? Do I know it is of substance? Do I know the occupancy rate, etc.? I'm going to have to rely on a lot of experts to understand.
Go listen to that. Thank you very much for that. We've got the BIS, the Bank of International Settlements, releasing a new report today with real stable coins. Please stand up right now. I don't think they're stable coins because unless they're stable at $10,000 plus dollars. But XLM and XRP right now. Very, very nice. Stable coins for cross-border payments. Very, very interesting right here. Now, Visa has launched a new global artificial intelligence AI advisory practice through Visa Consulting, which is interesting as well. This is the full announcement and press release from HSBC. Thank you, Chad Steingraber right here. Thank you very much for this, and very, very nice to see that they are partnering up with Ripple's Mateko right here, which is awesome. And Gary Gensler, and I love Jeremy Hogan's tweet. I'm going to end up on this, guys, but bureaucrats who regulate businesses should have actually started and built a business themselves. True. E.g., I don't want to be parenting regulated by someone who has never been had a child. That is true until you've been until you've had baby projectile into your mouth. Mind your own business. That is true. Thank you, Jeremy Hogan, for that one as well. And by the way, how the hell does Gary Gensler have time to make these videos? He should be just getting his stuff together. I could go off right now, but I'm not going to. Anyway, moving on. Let's go back to CoinMarketCap bulls, and I'm going to be going to my favorite coin list, which is the banking coins. This is real utilities being made. And Bitcoin, of course, we've got Ethereum, XRP, Solana, Cardano, Chainlink, AVAX, XLM, Hedera, Quant, ALGO, XDC, IOTA, Casper, Flare, Cello, WorldCoin, Nexra, Energy Web Token, Solargenic, DAG, LCX, Electronium, Corium as well, and they're all in the green, literally all in the green, and I cannot wait for XRP to go parabolic. It is up 11,000% all time. Very, very nice. And a quick look at Quant as well. We're up 37,000% all time. And bulls, it has less of a supply than Bitcoin. It doesn't need that much of a market cap to seriously be $1,000 in the future, which I think is definitely coming, bulls. That's for sure. Anyway, thank you very much. Join the Wall Street Bull Patreon. It is down below. I will speak to everyone in there. And let's just have a look today. Up already 282. Come on, bulls. Join the Patreon. Follow me on social media, and I'll speak to everyone tomorrow, all right? Stay safe, everyone. Peace out. Bye.